How to replace a briefcase strap mount. Cut the whole old strap holder from the bag. If the strap holder breaks in other parts, cut it all out. Draw a longer shape of the strap holder with a pencil on another piece of fabric. Both extensions should be the same length, at least 1/4 to half an inch long. Cut the piece of fabric. Add glue in the center of the new piece of fabric. Glue the strap holder on in the center and leave the same length on both sides. You can also use a glue gun. Use a sewing machine to sew the strap holder with the glued piece of fabric in the center. If you have good sewing skills, you can sew on both sides. Place the metal strap holder between the leather strap holder and fold it. Use the sewing machine to sew the tips of the fabric that was glued on the leather strap holder. If your metal strap holder is openable, sew without the metal strap holder. Add more glue between the fabric and the leather strap holder to strengthen it and hold it while it dries. Trim the area where the strap holder is placed. Add glue with a glue gun to the area where the strap holder is placed. Place the strap holder in the strap holder area of the bag and hold it while it dries. It is recommended to sew the strap holder fabric to the area where it will be placed.